5 Best Abdominal Exercises to Lose Belly Fat Fast. There is no question that most people with belly fat would like to get rid of their belly fat and tone their abdominal muscles. Unfortunately, many approach this goal the wrong way. They make the mistake of performing belly exercises that put too much stress on the lower back, but burn little or no tummy fat. The problem with sit-ups and crunches is that they involve too minimal of movements to burn away many calories and shed the layer of fat covering your abs. In this video, we will teach you 5 calorie-burning and abs-toning exercises that work. Clean and press. To do this exercise, first, position the dumbbells horizontally on the side of your feet. Next, squat and hold the dumbbells using an overhand grip and get back to your original standing position. As you do this, raise the dumbbells to your chest. While standing, perform an overhead press. Next, lower the dumbbells to your chest, squat, and then place them back on the floor. Doing this will make your whole body move. Squat press. The squat press is a variation on the first exercise. To perform this, start with a standing position while placing the dumbbells at your shoulders. Next, squat with your bum angled towards the back and transfer your weight onto your heels, as if you were about to take a seat. Squat far enough such that your thighs are parallel to the ground, while keeping your torso straight. Put your weight into your feet to get yourself back to your starting position while pressing the dumbbells over your head. Finally, lower the dumbbells toward your shoulder and then repeat. Burpees. To perform burpees, begin at a standing position while keeping your feet shoulder-width apart. Next, drop to the ground and do a push-up. At the top of your push-up position, jump forward such that your knees are towards your chest, and continue the jump to bring your body as high off the ground as you can, and then get back up to a standing position. This exercise is tough, but they show good results. So try to perform as many burpees as you can in about 2 to 3 sets, which last for 30 seconds each. Front squats. While many people assume that squats are for the quads, the truth is this kind of movement can engage your entire core if you do them properly. To perform the front squat, begin by doing the normal squat position, but position the bar across the front of your shoulders instead of your back with an underhand grip. Doing so will keep your arms parallel to the ground as you do this exercise. Next, lower yourself into a squatting movement, and then push yourself back up to make a standing position. You should feel your core muscles getting worked out. Mountain climbers. This is another difficult exercise, but it works so well in strengthening your core and shedding those excess fats when done right. To perform this exercise, begin in the push-up position. Next, shuffle your right knee towards your chest, and then switch with your left knee immediately, while making sure that your hips are at the same level as your shoulders. This exercise somehow looks like you are running in a horizontal position. Furthermore, for this to work effectively, perform the mountain climbers continuously as many times as you can. Perform each of the 5 exercises in 2 to 3 sets of 6 to 8 repetitions each set. Make sure to use dumbbells that are heavy enough to be challenging, while at the same time not excessively heavy to put too much stress on your muscles and injure you. The best thing about these exercises is that they can effectively work out your core muscles in just a couple of minutes. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.